Okay, so for this activity, you're going to need a ball of rolled up socks or any round object like a tennis ball or any small round object. And you're also going to need 10 empty household objects. For example, I've got milk cartons, shampoo bottles, fairy liquids, but make sure they're empty. We don't want stuff spilling everywhere. So you're going to stand about 1 metre apart, just like bowling. You're going to swing your arm back and you're going to throw it